Everyone. So after a long time, I'm starting again the new topic related to data. So every day about data, I talk about data, what's the new things is coming. So today my topic is data governance. It's very important, and this data governance is we are talking about with the Databricks. So Databricks come up with a new feature, or it's already there, but they are keep improving. So let's talk about Unity Catalog, which people talk about in terms of UC. So it's a unified data governance solution provided by Databricks for managing and securing data access and Databricks workspace. So basically, if you would like to give the data access, you can use Unity Catalog table. It's a simplified data governance by providing centralized metadata management system and fine grace across, the access control as well as for Databricks. And if you talk about the key features, I'm going to high level. It's not going to detail. So it's a very useful for data engineer, data scientist. So first thing, it's a centralized governance, manage the data access policies centrally. The second one is a fine-grained access control access at the table level, row level, and the column level as well as, and auditing. So this feature, I think we need to talk about table level. I haven't used row level and column level, but there might be available. We need to check auditing and licensing, track the data access lineage, ensure the compliance, data discovery, enhance the data discoverability with the centralized catalog. So this is the key feature. So the next thing I'm talking about why we need Unity catalogs. So first one is security, ensure the data access securely and by authorized users. So this is important part of it as data is keep growing. So data is only used which the people they have the access. The second one is compliance. It helps in meeting regulatory compliance requirement by providing detailed auditing log and linears. So if you have a Unity catalog, for that we can build the linears and log sync. Efficiency, simplify data access management. Yes, of course, reducing the administrative overhead. Consistency, provide a consistent data governance policy across the different Databricks workspace. Now, who can use this is very important. Yeah, so I'm going to talk about who can use. Data engineers manage and secure the data pipeline in workspace. So what I'm talking about, the data scientists, they would like to access and analyze the modeling. Data analysts ensure the compliance and security while the providing data analyze. Compliance officer monitor data access, ensuring regulatory compliance. Uh, yeah, they can use this one. So how it works. First one is configuration level. So configure Unity catalog your Databricks workspace via admin control. Define the data access, create a meta store. So for every table, they need to create a same table here, meta store, which need to point the actual same location. Register data source, register your database table, view and file with the Unity catalog. Accessing permission, define the role permission for the user read, write, and same thing, data access auditing. User access data through the Unity catalog based on the assignment permission, audit log track access will use. So this is the example of granting access. So I create the role for data scientist. Now I create grant selects on table sales data to this role. And now in this role I added the user. Whoever user you want to add, you can add directly. So this is the one way. So what is the benefit? Improving the security, simplify the management, enhancing the compliance, increase the productivity. So in the simple word, I could say Unity Catalog provide a robust solution for data governance, offering fine-grained access control, centralized policy management, detailed auditing. It enhances security, ensure the compliance, and improve the data management efficiency, making it an essential tool for organization in Databricks. So, guys, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.